Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the lock screen clock style on Samsung One UI 8 version. If you have latest Samsung One UI 8 device, you can see the new lock screen clock styles and dynamic clock style, adaptive clock style that will automatically adjust when you set the wallpaper on your device. Let's see how to apply this different lock screen clock style. So tap and hold the blank page on the lock screen, unlock your device. Now here you can see the clock style, tap on it. Now in the font and color, you can see the different clock style up effect on your latest One UI 8 version. Also tap on a style. Here you can see the different lock screen clock style. In the latest One UI 8, you can see the new clock style add. Here is the new clock style. You can increase the size of clock style like this. Increase or decrease the clock style you want on your device. In the One UI 8, you can see the new dynamic clock style. So first of all, go to style and select the first or second option to adjust the adaptive clock style or dynamic scroll. Now tap on a font and color, and here you can see the new adaptive clock style option. You can see movable clock style, so tap on it on your device. Now whenever tap on the icon, here you can see it will automatically adjust clock style on your device. When you increase the size, it will automatically adjust on the wallpaper. Here you can see when we increase height, it will automatically adjust. Also when you change the wallpaper, here you can see it will change. So select the clock style you want on your device and this adaptive clock style. Here you can see adjust the adaptive clock style. Also move the wallpaper like this to adjust it on your device. So you can easily adjust this adaptive clock style or apply the different clock style on your Samsung One UI 8 version. So apply the clock style on your One UI 8 device. That's it. And tap on a done at the top right corner. Now lock your phone and you can see the apply the lock screen clock style. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.